CODSheets is your brand new LightFunnels app, built to sync your orders directly from LightFunnels to Google Sheets. To get started, head over to the LightFunnels App Store. Install the CODSheets app and connect it to your Google account. Once you've granted the necessary permissions, you'll be able to choose the type of data you want to collect, either confirmed orders or abandoned checkouts. Let's begin with confirmed orders. These include only the orders that have been successfully completed by your customers. Click Next, and you'll move on to the data sourcing step. Here, you can choose where your data should come from. Select all sources, all funnels, or all stores, or pick specific ones, like a particular funnel or a specific store. You can also filter by product. Choose to collect data from all products or just from a specific one. Once that's done, click Next to move to the Choose Spreadsheet step. Here, you can use an existing spreadsheet or create a new one. Don't forget to name both the spreadsheet and the sheet. Let's call them Test COD Sheet 1. Click Next, and now it's time to pick a template. These templates are based on the real setups used by our top COD sellers, designed for maximum efficiency and clarity. You'll also be able to customize column names to match the data you're collecting from your store or funnel. Next is the row grouping step. This feature helps keep your data tidy by grouping items with the same order ID or product ID into one row. Then comes the additional sync option. This allows you to include your existing data in the spreadsheet when the connection is established. Click Next, and your spreadsheet will be created with the column names and data types you've selected. Let's test it out by placing an order. Fill in the customer's phone number, name, and location. Click Buy Now, and once the order is confirmed, it should appear instantly in your COD sheet. Now, let's move to the Abandoned Checkouts option. This feature tracks checkouts that were initiated by customers, but not completed. In other words, the customer fills in their information, but doesn't click the Buy Now button. Let's go ahead and follow the same workflow. Start by choosing where you want your data to be collected, whether from specific stores or products. Then create your spreadsheet and pick a template that fits your needs. Maximize the view to customize your column names, adjust them to suit your order details, then minimize it when you're done. Select your row grouping and additional sync options, whatever works best for your data structure. Once everything is set, save your spreadsheet. Now, let's test how abandoned checkouts work. Fill out the customer details, but don't click the Buy button. The system will detect this as an abandoned checkout. In LightFunnels, you'll find it under the Not Recovered Orders tab inside Checkouts. As for your COD sheet, this abandoned checkout will appear about 10 minutes later, automatically synced into your spreadsheet. And that's it.
10 minutes
You
later.
now have a complete overview of our new LightFunnels app, COD Sheets. It's designed to help you track both confirmed orders and abandoned checkouts with ease. The best part? It's free to use, no extra charges. So go ahead, install it, connect it, and start syncing your data today. Available now in the LightFunnels App Store.